Maria, go for it.
Yeah, I just wanted to share something that really sort of blew my mind. So I've been consuming all of the previous trainings and doing also in the 100K. So I've been having some strategy calls.
Okay.
And so I had a strategy call with someone, and so it sort of veered into a little bit of ACH.
Mm-hmm.
She bought, and then she actually had a dream before our first session.
Mm-hmm.
She came to me for pain,
Okay.
and she was like 3/4 like the pain was almost.
Yeah.
She's like, I dreamt that you were talking to me last night.
You see what I mean about leverage with your prices?
Blew me away.
Okay. Think about what you're doing on that strategy call as well. I'll talk about this in the 100K. We're not selling on the strategy call. What are we doing? We're listening. Sometimes a client venting on that strategy call and you listening and paying attention without being salesy starts the therapy. We talk about that in MAC. For those who've done masters of this, we talk about using this sort of style on a strategy call. So to speed up results, because if you can get 95, 75% of it therapized on the call, they come in, they're already on the edge of the cliff. You just have to nudge them because they're already 3/4 of the way there. So that's what you're experiencing.
Mind blowing.
Yeah, and you got paid for it. So that's a pretty good business model.
Well, I was sleeping.
Yeah. Natasha,